The Greenbike Classic folding electric bike is perfect for adults and for anyone who wants a reliable and convenient bike. It has a practical folding bike frame. It only needs small storage, so it is ideal for apartments or dormitories where space is limited. You can also choose between the low step or the high step frame. The Greenbike Classic has a 350-watt brushless DC motor sitting inside the rear wheel, sending torque directly to the ground for fast acceleration. It has a 10.6 amp-hour power pack consisting of lithium-ion batteries made by Boston Power USA. The electric fat bike has a single charge range of 25 to 40 miles. The bike has 5 levels of pedal assist, so you can choose to either increase the bike range or make pedaling easier. Or, use the throttle to travel and speed up effortlessly on the road. The bike also has a 6-speed Shimano rear derailleur so you can control and ride it like an ordinary bike. It is a capable electric road bike, with equipped Kenda 2-inch mini fat tires give it excellent grip and comfort on the road. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.